In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add font awesome to your Webflow project. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, incorporating font awesome icons can elevate your website's aesthetic and functionality. So let's dive right in and get started. To begin, make your way to the Webflow website. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry, it's free to sign up. Simply click on the sign up button and choose to create an account using either your email address or with your Google account, whichever is more convenient for you. Make sure you create a password that is both unique and secure to protect your account. With your Webflow account ready, our next step is to download Font Awesome. Head over to the Font Awesome website where you'll find options to download either the free or pro versions, depending on what suits your needs. Once you've got Font Awesome downloaded, it's time to jump back into Webflow. Open your Webflow dashboard and here we're going to click on the Fonts section. Look for the Arial button and click on it. You might wonder why Arial. It's just the route towards adding new fonts into your Webflow workspace. Now click on Add Fonts and then proceed by clicking Upload. You'll want to click Upload a second time because we're preparing to introduce new font files, which will of course include Font Awesome. Now choose the Select option, which enables you to pick out the specific files you've downloaded from Font Awesome. Navigate and find your Font Awesome files, and here you'll start uploading them. Once selected, click Arial again, just a guidepost for you within this upload journey. Next, you need to upload the font files, so click Upload Font File and make sure that you're choosing the Font Awesome files from your directory. By doing this, you're integrating the font into your Webflow project. After uploading, again, click Arial for finalizing this process. Following the font uploads, it's time to engage with specific categories within the Font Awesome toolkit. Look for options like Fay-Brands 400 and Fay Solid 900. Click on each of these to enable them within your Webflow project. These categories encompass a vast array of icons that Font Awesome provides. Finally, to put everything into effect, click Publish. You'll see the Publish to Selected Domains option. Ensure you click this to update your domains with the new font capabilities. And there you have it. By following these steps, Font Awesome is now part of your Webflow toolset, and you can start using its rich icon library to enhance your website's design. Thanks for sticking with us through this tutorial. We hope it empowers your web development skills and inspires creativity in your projects. Happy designing!